guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I don't think you can hear me, but if you could see, we're on a boat. For 4 hours. I've been on here for 3 hours, and, well, my bait caught. My line got caught 2 times, and I thought it was a fish. So annoying. So I'm just going to, put my camera down and you guys can watch. If you guys are wondering where my fishing line is, it's downstairs on the front deck. Okay, we've stopped again. We have stopped. Hope you guys enjoyed the view. Now I'm just going to fish even more. The boat tipped massively. Sorry if you see weird views. I'm gonna pause. Alright, going back to the front to get my. Oh, you go first. I'm gonna go past you.
Hello, bait?
Pardon? Yes, I have got
Bait?
bait. No, I haven't got bait actually. I don't think I have bait. Yeah, I don't have bait. It's getting tangled. Oh. This is for my dad's birthday. Happy birthday to my dad. Oh god, it's tangled. Yeah, I better not touch that. This is my line. They gave it to me for this fishing day to fish. It also tangled up a bit. Boat is wildly tipping. Toy crab. The head was bitten off. Thank you. So now I'm just going to do a video of me fishing. So yeah, camera might tip over sometimes. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm not gonna talk for this video usually, so yeah. Yeah, but I've been waiting so long for going fishing, so yeah.
Yep.
Let's just go down. Oh, I think it's hanging. Okay, there we go. Now we just wait. I'm just gonna wait. Playing the waiting game. Now the rod just bends because the ship it massively goes up and down. Oh, sorry guys. The camera fell. It's moving because of the current. It would bend if there's a fish, bend a lot. Gasoline smell. Sorry guys, the camera keeps on falling. Caught it. Sorry guys. You can't see it. I'll put this down for a sec. Put the rod down. So as you can see, I'm just fishing. I'm gonna move probably soon. So yeah. Oh, the engine just stopped. Perfect. Alright, so we're back. So, haven't caught any fish yet. I'm gonna move, so yeah, I'm gonna move.
It's like the HSBC guy. You know that one that got sacked? Yeah. They had a kid. Well, that's what happened at Anzac Day. The guy bought his Alpha and he's like, oh, meet my wife.